The data for day 10 is a list of machine instructions. We define a function compute, which will simulate the execution of this program and yield the value of x after each clock cycle. X starts at 1. Now we handle the instructions one by one. Add x takes 2 cycles to complete, so we yield x twice. Then increase x by v. No-op takes 1 cycle to complete, so we yield x once. It does nothing else. For part 1, we find the value of x at the 20th cycle, and every 40th cycle thereafter. And the answer is the sum of the product of the cycle number and x at each of these times. For part 2, we produce a list of whether the CRT is lit up at each clock cycle. We use a dot if it isn't lit up, and a hash if it is. We take 40 long chunks of this list. We have to use this silly trick, because itertools.batch doesn't come out until Python 3.12. Now we join together the chunks, and join together each line.